Assalamualaikum. Today we talk about the function of protein. Function of protein. Protein play very important role. Protein play very important role in the formation of cell organelles. In the cell organelles, protein play very important role in the formation of cell organelles. There may be it is very important. All body structure is made up of the protein. All organelles is made up of the protein. Protein play a very essential role when there is a deficient of the carbohydrate in your body. Deficient of carbohydrates and deficient of the lipid. It means there is an energy source which come from the protein. This one is very important. That protein have a very important role in mammal cell. Cell 20% of protein. But in the blood plasma, there is 7% of protein. And so on. In the cereal, it also contains 12% of protein. Cereals mean beans, soya bean. Cereal are compounds that pulses, दालें जो है, and pulses. Cereal mean pulses, and pulses contain 12% of protein. Also, it also account rice, bean, soya bean, beans also contain of protein. Eggs is also source of protein. Meat, all type of meat is a source of protein. Protein play very crucial role in your body. Now, this one is coming in your paper. 5 numbers of one short question. What is the function of protein? Protein play very essential role. Protein play very important role in the formation of the cell organelle. This one is the composition in a different type of cell. Mammal cell 20%, blood plasma 7%, cereal 12%, and so on. In the bean, cereal 12%. Now we talk about why protein is very important. Protein is very important because protein, a part of the different type enzyme, hemoglobin, antibodies, some hormone. If we discuss about these very small topic, enzyme are a biological catalyst. They speed up of a chemical reaction. Without of enzyme, no reaction take place. Enzyme is necessary. They are all enzyme are made up of protein. All enzyme are made up of protein. All enzyme made up of protein. Hemoglobin, it is a component, conjugated molecule. This conjugated molecule contains the iron plus protein. Antibodies are also composed of the protein. If a protein combined with the glucose, they form a glyco. And if it combined with the lipid, glycolipid and glycoprotein, glucose combined with the, and there are several types of carbohydrate that's involved in the formation. Everything you eat change into the protein in your body, and after this one is the change into the lipids. When there is no other energy, protein play a essential role. Today we talk about the structure of protein. What is the structure of protein? Note the structure of protein. There are four types of structure of protein. If the question is five marks, अगर 5 नंबर करता है, तो इसमें you give the simple detail of the structure of protein. First, write the structure of protein. Primary structure number 1, number 2, secondary structure, number 3, tertiary structure, number 4, quaternary structure. This one is the four type of structure in a protein molecule. These four structure is very very important. ये 5 नंबर का क्वेश्चन आता है. Write the name of structure of the protein. Primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, and quaternary structure. When they give the detail of these structure, primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary structure, it's very important to say that first we discuss about the primary structure. Simply discussion. One line of the primary structure and one line of secondary, tertiary, quaternary. Short question है. Short question में प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चर जो है इसको लिनियर सीक्वेंस ऑफ अमीनो एसिड का स्ट्रक्चर कहते हैं. लिनियर सीक्वेंस ऑफ अमीनो एसिड. Amino group is one side and the left hand side, carboxyl group on the right hand side. Nitrogen bonding is absent in the primary structure. Covalent bonding is present in the primary structure. This one the linear sequence of the amino acid. It means if you have a focus on the general formula of amino acid, this one is the general formula of amino acid. This one is the carboxyl group and amine group. Carboxyl group and amine group. This one is the carboxyl group and amine group. And these are attached to the other amino acid. In the case of different type of amino acid, this one is the one nitrogen amino acid and this one is the methyl group. In the previous lecture, I gave the detail of this structure. They are attached by the removal of water molecule. It means a linear structure in which one amino acid attached to the other amino acid in a linear form, in a linear sequence. This one is the primary structure of the amino acid. This primary structure is very very important because it maintains the shape of the different molecule or conjugated molecules. Linear structure. In linear structure, amino acid attached in a linear form. One amino acid, second amino acid, third, fourth, and these amino acid attached into the linear form. One importance of this structure is the absence of hydrogen bonding. Absence of hydrogen bonding. In a linear structure, absent of the hydrogen bonding, carboxyl group is right hand side and other group, methyl group, hydrogen group are on the left hand side. This is the linear structure. This carboxyl group is available for the second bonding and so on. After this, we give information about the प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चर हमने पढ़ा. प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चर क्या है कि लिनियर सीक्वेंस है अमीनो एसिड का. Linear sequence of amino acid. Due to linear sequence of amino acid, hydrogen bonding is absent. Hydrogen bonding is absent. Linear sequence of the amino acid, hydrogen bonding is absent. But covalent bond is present. 2 points are these 2 points discuss प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चर. लिनियर सीक्वेंस में होना चाहिए, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इसमें एब्सेंट होती है और कोवलेंट बॉन्ड बनता है. कोवलेंट बॉन्ड जो है वो कार्बोक्सिल ग्रुप का एक हाइड्रोजन मूव होता है और उसके बाद इसके साथ जो दूसरा है वहां से एक हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप निकलता है और उन दोनों के दरमियान पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड जो बनता है वो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग की वजह से बनता है. तो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म covalent bond is formed by the chaining of the electron, but it is the other discussion. Now this one is the 2 important points that discuss about the linear sequence. Hydrogen bonding is absent, covalent bond is present in a primary structure. Primary structure में सिर्फ आपने ये लिखना है कि अमीनो एसिड एक linear फॉर्म में होते हैं और जो है इसमें हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग जो है वो एब्सेंट होती है और कोवलेंट बॉन्ड जो है वो मौजूद होता है. उसके बाद है सेकेंडरी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द प्रोटीन. सेकेंडरी स्ट्रक्चर the regular arrangement of the amino acids that are located near to each other in a linear sequence. These arrangements are termed as a secondary structure of polypeptide chain. इसमें 2 चेन होती हैं, one chain and this one is the other chain. ये चेन जो है ये सल्फाइड लिंकेज से एक दूसरे के साथ अटैच होती हैं, तो इसलिए इसको कहता है कि ये सेकेंडरी स्ट्रक्चर है. इसमें 2 लिनियर फॉर्म यानी प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चर वाली 2 लिनियर फॉर्म की जो चेन्स हैं वो एक दूसरे के साथ दे अटैच टू लिनियर चेन अटैच विद द सल्फाइड लिंकेज. one amino acid attached to the other amino acid. One amino acid of a linear polypeptide chain attached to the second polypeptide chain with the help of the sulfide linkage. Therefore, we said that the secondary structure contains the sulfide linkage bonding. Second is the tertiary structure of the monomer. Tertiary structure of the monomer. Tertiary structure of protein. Its main tertiary mean 3, secondary mean 2, and linear sequence primary mean 1. Its mean 3 polypeptide chain. The tertiary structure of protein mean that overall 3-dimensional shape complex secondary structure or 3-dimensional structure. In tertiary structure, we give the information about it is the 3-dimensional structure. Three-dimensional structure. एक लाइन लिखने की जरूरत है. It contains the dimensional complex and 3 polypeptide chain are 3-dimensional structure. Quaternary structure. Second is the quaternary structure of protein. Quaternary structure of protein. Form of the aggregation. The quaternary structure form of the aggregation of 2 or more, 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा, 2 or more polypeptide chain. Or more polypeptide chain. Aggregation of 2 or more polypeptide chain in a quaternary structure. Such polypeptide chain form one functional. Such polypeptide chain form one functional macromolecule. This macromolecule polypeptide chain, one chain is called a subunit of. This structure is also exist in a hemoglobin, collagen, what is the hemoglobin and collagen? ये function आप प्रोटीन में आप ऐड कर सकते हैं. Collagen is beneath of your skin. It's a form of protein. This one is the fibrous protein. Collagen is a fibrous protein, but hemoglobin is a globular protein. Globular protein. Fibrous. Collagen is a fibrous protein and hemoglobin is a globular protein. This one is found beneath the skin of the body, and this one is found in the red blood cell, and hemoglobin is a red pigment. The quaternary structure is very, very important. If there is some changes in the monoacid replacement, one amino acid chain to the other amino acid. In the case of sickle cell anemia, therefore the oxygen cannot be transported from one part of the body to the next part of the body. It is a very important protein of your body. You may mention this one is the in the function of the protein. Collagen is also very important protein. If there is a abnormal folding of the collagen, if the deficient of the collagen, you become suffered in a skin disease. This collagen protect your body from abrasive and from environmental changes. It also play very important role in the defense mechanism of the body. Collagen is very important protein of your body. It also exists in beneath of the skin. This is very important. तो ये आपके सामने स्ट्रक्चर था प्रोटीन का, प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्शरी और क्वार्टिनरी स्ट्रक्चर। ये 5 नंबर का आएगा। अगर वो फंक्शन पूछता है तो फिर कोलेजन, हीमोग्लोबिन, एंजाइम, इनके आप फंक्शन जो है प्रोटीन के तौर पर लिख सकते हैं। मैंने पहले प्रीवियस लेक्चर में बताया था कि तमाम तर जो एंजाइम है, ऑल एंजाइम आर प्रोटीन, बट ऑल प्रोटीन आर नॉट एंजाइम। प्रोटीन आर enzyme, but all enzyme are protein, but all protein are not enzyme. That's why ribosomal enzyme जो है, जो प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस में हिस्सा लेता है, वो जो है वो एक अदर एंजाइम है। ओके, दैट्स ऑल। नेक्स्ट इंशाल्लाह हम बात करेंगे व्हाट इज द सेंट्रल डोग्मा एंड व्हाई ट्रांसलोकेशन ट्रांसक्रिप्शन इज इम्पोर्टेंट इन द बॉडी सेल, where it takes place, how the polypeptide chain is formed. There are 3 types of RNA: ribosomal RNA, messenger RNA, and transfer RNA, and short RNA. तमाम RNA के ऊपर हम डिस्कशन करेंगे। और प्रोटीन फोल्डिंग क्यों ज़रूरी है, और सेल के अंदर प्रोटीन फोल्डिंग के लिए कौन सा फैक्टर होता है, और फिर प्रोटीन फंक्शन मैंने अपने टॉपिक में अंदर 5 नंबर के जो क्वेश्चन आते हैं उनको कवर किया है। एक तो प्रोटीन जो है उसमें आपने प्रोटीन की डेफिनेशन देनी है कि प्रोटीन अमीनो एसिड के बने होते हैं। प्रोटीन आर मेड अप ऑफ द अमीनो एसिड। फिर इनमें अमीनो एसिड का जनरल फार्मूला बताना है। उसके बाद आपने जनरल फार्मूला बताने के बाद फंक्शन ऑफ प्रोटीन बताना है। फिर आपने उसके स्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर बात करनी है। तो स्ट्रक्चर 4 टाइप के, उनके नाम लिखने हैं। प्राइमरी है, सेकेंडरी है, टर्शरी है, क्वार्टिनरी स्ट्रक्चर है। क्वार्टिनरी स्ट्रक्चर है, इन 4 के आपने नाम लिखने हैं और 1 लाइन एक्सप्लेन करनी है। फिर जब आप क्वार्टिनरी स्ट्रक्चर को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, इसकी 2 आपने एग्जांपल देनी। 1 एग्जांपल इज द कोलेजन है और अदर इज द हीमोग्लोबिन। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।